Cyber Range Progress Report by Mr. Jason Santiago. 1. Introduction. Welcome back. This is my latest Cyber Range Progress update. Over the past 2 weeks, I've been hands-on with hardware upgrades, DNS configuration, simulated user awareness training, and preparing for future IPv6 and automation-focused labs. Let's walk through everything that's happened. Hardware refurbishment and host upgrade. First, I installed a new power supply into a host system running an 8th Gen Intel i5 CPU. The machine was a dusty-grade CPC from eBay. After a deep clean and internal inspection, it's now been restored to a solid lab-worthy workstation. Security Onion setup plus Kibana monitoring. This refurbished host now runs Security Onion, a powerful security monitoring platform. I've deployed Kibana and other tools in the stack for log visualization and incident response training. DNS configuration and host records. I originally intended to continue my Ether channel configuration, but after reviewing the next course, scripting and automation in Linux, I saw we'll be tackling IPv6 migrations. So I've shifted gears and started updating DNS records accordingly. My next step is to add corresponding Quad A records for IPv6 readiness as I begin transitioning into that future-facing architecture. Cyber Awareness Project, Mock Phishing. To help users learn through simulation, I built a mock phishing page. The page features Tux the Penguin delivering awareness prompts like, pick a button below, one file is safe, and one file is not. Users choose between 2 files, only one is safe. Safe.zip opens harmless.bat file. Evil.zip simulates potentially harmful behavior. The bat files are zipped for realism, and when opened, they echo system messages to highlight the risks of blindly running unknown files. Education plus next steps. This entire setup was created in an air-gapped, isolated lab for educational purposes. My goals include preparing for IPv6 migrations, automating DNS record deployment using shell scripts, monitoring logs via Kibana, blue team logging, alerting, and incident response exercises, future integration of Ansible for configuration automation. Final thoughts. This update reflects both the red team thinking in the phishing simulation and blue team execution in network monitoring and DNS hardening. With Security Onion deployed and IPv6 on the horizon, the range is evolving into a complete training ground for future certifications and real-world scenarios.